Exercise 6. Discriminating between teens and tens. The teen numbers, those between 13 and 19, are often confused with the multiples of 10, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. This lesson is for practice in hearing the differences in the following pairs of numbers: 13, 30, 14, 40, 15, 50, 16, 60, 17, 70, 18, 80, 19, 90. It is important to listen to the last part of each word. Listen carefully, be ready to write. Draw a circle around the correct number.
Number 1. The student from New York bought 15 new books last week.
Number 2. My Uncle George lives at 30 Kings Road.
Number 3. Mr. Johnson was 14 minutes late for his lecture.
Number 4. It took 16 hours to finish his work.
Number 5. Mary finished the test in 70 minutes.
Number 6. My friend Alan lost 19 pounds the first day of class.
Number 7. I paid 80 pounds for that coat.
Number 8. He lives at 5062 Green Street, York.
Number 9. Her address is 1340 Farm Street, Brighton.
Number 10. We bought 40 CDs last month. Exercise 7. Reading the numbers.
Please read these numbers after me. 201, 324, 109, 414, 240, 634, 523, 744, 599, 717.
Exercise 8. Number dictation. Now listen to the following numbers and write them down. 314, 207, 145, 213, 478, 523, 196, 629, 229, 155, 816, 960.
Exercise 9. Circulation of British newspapers. Listen to the recording and write down the numbers in the correct column.
You are going to hear about the circulation for some national newspapers in Britain in 1994. The circulation of the Observer from February to July in 1994 was 495,483. The Independent's circulation was 275,447. The Guardian was 400,856, and the Financial Times circulation was 296,3 634. The circulation of the Sunday Express was 1,544,404, and the Daily Express was 1,358,246. Britain's most popular papers were The Sun and the Daily Mirror. The circulation of The Sun was 4,101,988, and the Daily Mirror was 2,496,076.
Exercise 10. Airports in the southeast of Britain. Listen to the recording and write down the numbers in the correct column.
When you travel to Britain by sea or air, it is likely that you will arrive in the southeast. There are two main airports in the London area. One is Heathrow Airport. The other is Gatwick. Heathrow is the world's busiest airport for international traffic. It is about 20 miles outside of London. It's located about 33 kilometers west of central London. It has around 28 million passengers per year. Gatwick is the second major airport. It's about 30 miles, or 50 kilometers to the south of London. It has about 10 million passengers per year. Have you got all the numbers? I'll repeat it. Heathrow is the world's busiest airport for international traffic. It is about 20 miles outside of London. It's located about 33 kilometers west of central London. It has around 28 million passengers per year. Gatwick is the second major airport. It's about 30 miles, or 50 kilometers to the south of London. It has about 10 million passengers per year.
Exercise 11. Practical problem solving. Write the numbers. How fast can you figure out the answers? Try to write the answers before you hear them.
Number 1. How much is 23 plus 47? How much is 23 plus 47? The answer is 70.
Number 2. How much is 62 plus 17? How much is 62 plus 17? The answer is 79.
Number 3. How much is 281 plus 54? How much is 281 plus 54? The answer is 335.
Number 4. How much is 512 plus 33? How much is 512 plus 33? The answer is 545.
Number 5. How much is 24 times 5? How much is 24 times 5? The answer is 120.
Number 6. How much is 70 times 4? How much is 70 times 4? The answer is 280.
Number 7. What is 28 divided by 7? What is 28 divided by 7? The answer is 4.
Number 8. What is 6 goes into 54? What is 6 goes into 54? The answer is 9. Now listen to 4 conversations in a department store. Figure out the totals before you hear them. Write down the prices.
Number 9.
How much are these CDs?
They are $20.50 each.
$20.50 each? Okay, I'll take these 4.
Okay. 4 CDs at $20.50. That comes to 82 pounds.
Number 10.
How much is this dress?
The red one?
Yeah,
It's $15.49.
$15.49. Okay, I'll take 10.
Okay, 10 dresses at $15.49. That comes to 154 pounds 90 pence.
Number 11.
May I help you?
Yeah, I'd like these.
Okay, 2 ties, 36. 1 shirt, 50.74. A cap is 10 pounds 99. The total is 97 pounds and 73. Number 12.
Hi, good morning, Mr. Smith.
Good morning.
Okay, let me see what you have in your basket. 1 sweater, that's $160. The coat is $80.89, and 2 shirts are $90.24. The total is £331 13 pence.